Hello, hello. Sorry, I got
Andrea?
something in my
Okay.
mic and headphone.
So, have you eaten your dinner already?
And not
Good.
yet. I'm still in office.
Okay. You're still at the office. Me too.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, so we are the same then. Okay. So, how do you feel staying in the office?
Yeah.
Do you feel alone?
Actually, no. It's still a lot of my friend in here.
Okay. There are a lot of
So
your friends there.
yeah.
Hello, Mr. Kori. Are you at home? Are you at home, Mr. Kori? I think Mr. Kori is still muted. Oh, no. It's okay. It's fine. How are you, Mr. Kori, today? Mr. Kori, I'm so sorry. I don't know why your voice is still muted or something like that. I cannot hear your voice. Wait. Let me adjust my audio first. Wait. Yeah, my audio is fine.
Uh, actually,
Yeah,
I don't hear the voices, Mr. Corey.
yeah. We cannot hear the voice of Mr. Kori. Maybe you need to fix your audio first, Mr. Kori, before we start. How are you today, Haninda?
Mm, I'm feeling pretty
Okay,
good.
okay. How was school today? Was it fun?
Yeah, it have a festival.
Oh, you had a festival at school. What kind of festival? School festival?
Yeah, like for a new curriculum project.
I see. For new curriculum like project. So, what did you and the team make?
Just like a food court, like bazaar
Mm-hmm.
or something
Mm-hmm.
like that, and then
Mm-hmm.
uh, we have a performance like from the seventh grade.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, I love Bazaar.
Yeah.
It trains our, entrepreneurship, something like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So while waiting for the others, we can chit chat first. Yeah. If I'm mistaken, how many people more? If I'm mistaken, four more people to join here, but it's okay, no problem. So, how do you like living in Sukabumi? Yeah, welcome back,
Um,
Mr. Corey. Yeah, do you like living in Sukabumi?
Not really because this is a small city, but
Mm-hmm.
uh, I prefer to live in
Mm-hmm.
Jakarta than Sukabumi because
Yeah, of course.
because it have no mall in here.
Mhm. Yeah. I heard from your mom that you used to live in Malaysia. Isn't it correct?
Yeah,
Okay, that's great. Yeah. Where is it exactly in Malaysia? In KL?
yep. And then uh, I've lived at Selangor for 2 years.
Okay, so okay. Okay, so it means you spend time mostly there for yeah, studying at maybe I don't know, primary school?
Mm-mm.
During primary school? You were in Malaysia? Nice. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna let others to join first, and then we start. Yeah, because I don't want to repeat my materials to teach. So, well, yeah, let's talk about your activities and life, something like that. Yeah. So your mom is teaching at the F, yeah, English first,
Yeah.
English first of Sukabumi. Okay. Yeah. Welcome back, Mr. Gauri. Can you
Sorry,
sound
sir,
check?
for this
Okay.
to being.
Okay.
Can
Now
you hear it
it's audible.
clear?
Oh yeah,
Oh
I can
yes.
hear it. It's audible. Okay. It's audible.
Okay.
So, oh yeah, without further ado, today our target is we try to cope with, if possible, five skills or five materials. Yeah, because totally we have approximately 43 skills that we need to cope with. We need to master within grammar because that's our main deal. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Andrea, be right back. Get a drink first. Okay, I'll like to reply first. Take your time. Uh, okay. Allow me to share my screen, yeah? Mm-hmm. This one. Okay. So last time, if I'm not mistaken, we have discussed three skills totally. Yeah, the first one is present simple, and then present continuous, and also present perfect. And then today, we're gonna move to present perfect continuous tense here.
Perfect
Yeah,
continuous.
because that's our discussion today. Yeah, hopefully we can cope up until skill, let's say skill 8 or 9, something like that. Yeah. So, what is it meant by present perfect continuous? It's the combinations of perfect and continuous. Yeah. So when in perfect tense, when you have, for example, has plus verb three, yeah, has have a plus verb three, and then you mix it with what you have in continuous. Yeah, continuous we have to be and verb ing, right? Yeah. So has have verb three, yeah, verb three, and then to be. Yeah. The verb three of to be is being. So has or
Been.
have been, and then verb ing. Actually, I want to show you kind of a notepad that I'd like to use for taking some notes. Yeah, to be shown to all of you. Wait, I'll try to show you my notepad. Oh, by the way, Mr. Corey,
Yes.
where do you teach again? Where do you teach?
Uh, Only part time for the futsal at school, sir.
Okay, you're a
Yeah. So
food
I'm a
teacher.
mediocre teacher.
Okay, yeah, physical education we call it. Yeah,
Yes.
physical
PE
education or
teacher.
sport PE teacher. Nice.
PE teacher
Which
for
school is it?
elementary school.
Which school in Jatiasi?
Pardon?
In which school?
In
In which school?
Kota Cinema. Kota Cinema. Next to Kota Cinema, there is Al Fursan Islamic School.
Oh, Al Fursan. I know Al Fursan. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
I know Al Fursan. Al Fursan
Yes, but
Islamic School is located nearby. Uh, is
Parpostel.
it the Sifa Budi Cibubur?
If Sipabudi is in Transyogi Street, sir.
Transyogi Road, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
we go straight until from the Parpostel Street
Yeah, yeah,
until
yeah.
Nagrak, and then turn to the left around
Okay.
10 met
Yeah,
yeah 100 meters
that-
on the left. There
that's
is
correct.
Sipabudi.
Okay. Yeah, I used to work there in
Sipabudi.
2021. Yeah,
Oh, I see.
as a as a school director.
School director, sir.
Yeah.
But
And then
last year,
Mhm.
yeah, I was taught in Kota Wisata.
Oh, nice. There is
Yeah,
there's a school. If I'm mistaken,
AB16.
Fajar Hidayah. You know Fajar Hidayah?
Yeah, if Fajar Hidayah on the Boulevard Road next to
Mhm, yeah.
the Darussalam Mosque. Yeah,
Okay.
Fajar Hidayah.
Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah.
So present perfect and then continuous. Yeah.
Okay.
Present perfect continuous. It is the combinations of perfect and continuous. Yeah. Perfect is subject plus has or have, right? Yeah. And then plus verb three, right? And then meanwhile, continuous is to be. So we try to blend in, we try to mix the third form of to be, in which it is being, yeah, plus verb in or gerund. Okay, so this is the pattern of present perfect continuous. So if you try to say here in English, for example, they have been playing tennis for 2 hours. Yeah, they have been playing tennis for 2 hours. It means they started to play tennis, yeah, 2 hours ago, and they are still playing tennis. Okay, you got the logic? They started to
Yeah.
play tennis 2 hours ago. Okay, and they are still playing tennis. So we try to combine it in present perfect continuous. Yeah, they have been playing tennis for 2 hours. Yeah, for example, like this. We have been learning for 8 minutes, and then we are still learning English, right? Together. So we have been learning English for 8 minutes so far. Yeah, and then we are still learning English together. Okay. Can you read this one, Mr. Corey? I have been.
Yes, I have been studying English since last year.
Okay. I've been studying English since last year. It means you started to study English, okay, last year, and then now you're still studying English. It
Studying
is
English.
still in progress. Yes. Haninda, can you help read this one?
She has been working as a teacher for 10 years.
Yeah, she has been working as a teacher for 10 years. It means she started to work as a teacher, 10 years ago, and then now she is still
Still
teaching, at school.
teaching.
She is still working as a teacher for 10 years. Okay. And then next, Mr. Corey again.
We have been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes.
Okay, we have been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. So we emphasize on the durations. Jadi penekanannya adalah ke durasi. Yeah.
Durasi.
So how long have you been waiting for the bus? Oh, we have been
30
waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. Okay. So I'd like to admit someone who would like to join first. Wait. Okay. Kevin. Hello, Kevin. Hello, Kevin. Okay, welcome. Okay.
Hello, sir. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Nice to see you. Next, Mr. Andrea, I want you to help read this one. They have been. Mr. Andrea,
Oh,
they
sorry.
have been.
They have been watching movies all night.
Okay, they have been watching movies all night. Yeah. So they started to watch movies several hours ago, and then they are still watching movies. So they have been watching movies all night, panjang malam. Yeah.
All
So this kind of action, started in the past and are still going on. Yeah, at the moment of speaking. So as I previously stated, that present perfect continuous is the combinations of perfect in which we have has plus verb 3. And while in continuous, we have to be plus verb ing. We blend, we mix the to be into third form, it becomes been. So subject has have been verb ing. Yeah. It emphasizes on the durations. Okay, again, Mr. Andrea, can you help read this one again? I have
I
been.
have been studying for 2 hours.
Okay, I've been studying for 2 hours. It means you have started, to study 2 hours ago, and then you are still studying until now, something like that. Okay, can you help this one, Kevin? They have been.
They have been playing soccer since morning.
Okay, they have been playing soccer since morning. If, for example, now it is evening time, so approximately they have been playing soccer more than 12 hours. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
so long. It's a record. Okay.
Doing.
Meanwhile, for the negative, we simply or we merely put not
She has
after the
not
auxiliary of has.
actually.
So she has not been sleeping well lately. Yeah, dia tidak tidur dengan nyenyak dengan baik belakangan ini. Yeah.
Only.
Okay. And then for the questions, this one first. Yeah. We have not been working on this project for a long time. Wah, sudah lama kita tidak mengerjakan project ini. Yeah. So it emphasizes on the durations. We have not been working on this project for a long time. Or for a long time, I've never been eating this food. Yeah. I used to eat this food long time ago. Approximately when I was a kid. Yeah, when I was 5 years old. And then now I'm eating this food. Yeah. Something like that. Okay. For the question, we have the patterns of auxiliary has or have, and then subject, and then been, and then present participle, or we call it verb ing. For example, Haninda, can you help read this one again? Have you
been waiting for me for a long time?
Have you been waiting for me for a long time? Yes, I've been waiting for you for a long time. How long? Like 2.5 hours or something like that. Okay, Mr. Andrea again. Has he been?
Has he been studying French for a year?
Has he been studying French for a year? No,
For a
he
year.
has been studying French for 3 years, for 5 years, like that. Yeah, for example. Okay, so we have the conversation between A and B. Would like to play the role. I want Mr. Corey to be A, okay, and then
Okay.
B will be Haninda. Okay, Mr. Corey, you can start first. Hi.
Okay. Hi. What have you been doing all day?
I've been
Hmm,
working
Haninda?
on my garden since this morning. It's been keeping me busy.
Oh, really? What have you been planting?
I've been planting some vegetables and flowers. I want to have my own organic produce.
Okay.
That's great. How long have you been working on your garden?
I've
Mhm.
been working on it for about 2 weeks now. I've been trying to make it look more beautiful.
Okay.
I'm sure it will look amazing when it's done. How much progress have you made so far?
Well, I've been reading planting and watering the plants every day. I think I've made quite a lot of progress.
It sounds like you have been putting in a lot of effort. Do you think you will finish
Effort,
it soon? Effort.
effort, not
Ever.
effort, but effort. Okay,
Ever. Do you think
okay. Next.
you will finish it soon?
Yes,
Aninda.
I hope so. I've been working on it every day, and I can see the results of my hard work.
Okay, yeah. Let's discuss from the beginning of this
Yeah.
kind of conversation. So, hi, yeah. Uh, wait. Try to go to this one. Hi, what have you been doing all day? Ya, kamu ngapain aja sepanjang hari? Yeah, I've been working on my garden since this morning. It's been keeping me busy. Yeah. Seharian saya bekerja di kebun. Ya, sejak pagi. It makes me busy. It's been keeping me busy. Wah, ini membuat saya sibuk. Oh, really? What have you been planting? Ya, apa yang kamu sudah tanam? Ya, I've been planting some vegetables and flowers. Nah, kata ini, teman-teman, the way how to pronounce it is vegetable. Jadi bukan vegetable, tapi vegetable, gitu ya. Okay, so I've been planting some vegetables and flowers. I want to have my own organic produce. Very good, ya. Organic produce itu adalah hasil organik, ya. My own organic produce artinya adalah ya hasil organikku sendiri. Like that. That's great. How long have you been working on your garden? I've been working on it for about 2 weeks now. I've been trying to make it more beautiful. Yeah, I've been trying to make it look more beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Tiga suku kata. Yeah. So instead of beautifuler, we make it into more beautiful, lebih indah. Ya. Tapi kalau pretty, ya, pretty itu menjadi more pretty atau prettier? Which one? Mr. Andrea, maybe you can answer. Pretty?
Prettier.
Yes,
Prettier.
pretty becomes
Prettier.
prettier. Okay. Haninda, answer me. Tidy. Tidy becomes more tidy or tidier?
Oh,
Which one? Okay, Mr. Corey, maybe you can help. Tidy becomes?
More tidy.
No, it becomes
Oh.
tidier. Okay, it
Tidier.
becomes tidier. Yes. Okay. And then Kevin, can you help me? What about tiny? Tiny becomes
I think become tinier.
tinier, ya. Jadi walaupun kata pretty, tiny, tidy, ya, itu mengandung two syllables atau dua suku kata, more than one syllable, but it ends in y. Jadi beberapa kata sifat, ya, dia berakhiran y. Contohnya tadi ada kata tidy, ya, ada kata pretty, ya, ada kata tiny. Dia
Sleepy.
berakhiran y.
There is no.
Ya. Okay, dia berakhiran y, and then we need to change it into tidier, prettier, and tinier. Yeah, what we need to do is we try to add the suffix of ier, tidier, and then pretty, prettier, like this, and then tiny, tinier, like this. Okay, yeah. What about far? Maybe Mr. Andre can help. How do we change far into comparative form? Far becomes
More far. More far.
more far.
Farther.
No. Farther.
Farther.
Yes, farther. Yeah,
Far. Oh,
it's
yeah.
farther. Sometimes farther. Yeah. Sometimes further. Yeah. For example, like this.
Further.
I live farther than you. Where do you live? I live in Chikupa, Tangerang. Oh, okay. Yeah. It's as clear as crystal. You are living farther than me. Something like that. Yeah. Can you further explain about the government's project in succeeding the city development? Oh, yes. I would like to further explain to you later. Okay. Further, itu lebih jauh. Farther juga. seperti itu. Farther or further. Okay. I'm sure it will look more amazing. Like it will look amazing when it's done. How much progress have you made so far? Well, I've been reading kata weeding di sini bukan berarti negatif ya, yang artinya menghisap ganja ya, bukan ya. Tapi weeding di sini adalah mencabut rumput liar ya.
Oh,
It originates from the word weed ya. Weed itu adalah
Weed.
rumput saja ya, weed. Tapi sometimes in US, when you know about the slang language, okay, what do you smoke? I smoke weed. Nah itu hati-hati. Itu artinya adalah dia sedang menghisap apa namanya obat-obatan terlarang. Planting. Planting is
planting.
ya menanam. Watering the plants, menyiram. Oke.
Every
I
day.
think I've made quite a lot of progress ya. Jadi ada kerancuan ketika kita berbicara kata quiet dengan quiet itu jangan tertukar ya. I try to write it on the notepad that I have here. The first word is quiet. Quiet itu artinya adalah benar-benar ya. Yang satu lagi adalah quiet. Okay? Quiet is like this, for example. Yeah. I think by hearing your voice, yeah, you are quite good as a vocalist, as a singer, or something like that. Yeah, quite good. Yeah, quite expensive. I guess the jewelry is quite expensive. It costs more than $200 or something like that. Yeah. Meanwhile, quiet artinya apa, Mr. Andrea? What is the meaning of quiet?
Jangan berisik atau
Okay, quiet itu diam ya.
diam.
Okay, diam ya. Jadi yang atas itu adalah quiet, yang bawah adalah
Quiet.
quiet. Jadi quiet ya. So they have different pronunciation. Yes. Okay, good. Yeah. Next, it sounds like you've been putting a lot of effort. Do you think you'll finish it soon? Yeah, effort, not effort, but effort. Ya, lagi-lagi.
Ever.
How do we know the pronunciation is effort? So I think I have suggested to you about the last two phonetics. Yeah, this kind of website. Yeah, will guide you how to pronounce every word in English correctly. Yeah, you simply copy paste the word like this, and then show transcription, and then it will give you the phonetic symbols like this. Yeah, it's effort. Effort. Okay. Ini kalau kita bunyikan effort. Effort. Okay. Continue first here. Yeah. Yes, I'm hopeful. I've been working on it every day, and I can see the results of my hard work. Okay. Next, we try to do this one. Okay. She blah 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 watch TV all day. Mr. Corey, what is the answer for number one? She
Have been watching TV all day.
She has been watching TV
Oh, she has been watching
day.
TV all day.
Yes. Okay. Haninda. Number two. They
haven't been working on the project for weeks.
yes, they have not been working
Not
yet on the project for 4 weeks. Okay. The next one. I need the help from Kevin. Has he?
Has he studied for the test all week? Has he been
Has he been? Yeah. Has he been studying for the test
all week?
all week? Yeah. Has he been studying for the test all week? Something like that. They can try to admit this one. It's Miss Briska. Okay. Next. I need the help from Mr. Corey again.
Yes. We have been waiting for the bus for an hour.
We have been waiting for the bus for an hour. Okay, Mr. Andre, number 5. The kids?
The kids have been playing outside since morning.
Okay, the kids have been playing outside since morning. Okay. And then next skill, we try to discuss skill number 5. Yeah. And this one is about simple past. Yeah. The only homework in simple past is memorizing the change. Yeah. Or the alter from the verb 1 to verb 2. Yeah. We try to, for example, browse. We call it irregular verb list. Okay. When we try to see the image, maybe we can take this one. Okay. What about Okay. Take it first. Next one is okay. And then we open it. Okay, look at this one, yeah. For example, number one is beat. Yeah. What is the second form of beat? Beat. Yeah. What is the third form? It is
Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry, sir. I can hear you clearly.
Yeah, because someone is talking.
Yes, from.
Wait, from the
Thank you.
from okay. Okay. Now you can hear me, right? Every one of you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Number two here, become, became, and become. Yeah. Become itu yang bentuk pertama. Bentuk kedua adalah became. Yeah.
Became.
I will initiate first. I became the leader of the class when I was in the 7th grade of senior high school. In the 7th grade of junior high school. Okay, Haninda, make a sentence using the word became. Became. Yeah, I just give you a sample. For example, I
uh,
became. I became.
I became a
What?
secretary in 8th grade.
You became what? Sorry.
I became a secretary in 8th grade.
Oh,
So,
I became a class secretary. Yeah. I became a class secretary. Yeah. At 8th grade. Okay, good. What about you, Mr. Andrea? Can you make a sentence using became?
I
Just simply
became
say I became.
late last year.
I became what? A
A lead,
leader?
a leader.
A leader. I became a leader. Yeah, last year. Mr. Corey, what did you become? I
become.
became. I
Oh,
became.
became. I became a PJOK teacher since last year.
Okay, I became a PE, physical education
PE.
teacher.
Yes, physical
Okay,
education.
since
Since last year.
year. Okay, this kind of form is actually I have become a PE teacher since last year. Yeah, because until now you're still a PE teacher,
Still.
right? But it's a kind of problem. Yeah, I became PE teacher since last year. Okay, Miss Priska, can you help me to make a sentence using the word became? Can you make a sentence using the word became, Miss Priska?
Oh, hello, yes, Mr. Tan. I'm still on work.
Okay, no problem, no problem. It's
uh,
okay.
yeah,
Okay,
uh, I I became yeah,
became. I became.
I became a leader of quality assurance since 5 years.
IT leader and quality assurance or QA,
Yeah,
since
QA
last
last
year.
year.
Okay. Kevin, can you make a sentence using became? Like, for example, I became the manager of Balumba. Yeah. When? Since, for example.
I became the manager of Balomba since uh, 2020.
Yeah. Balumba since
Since
2020.
20.
Okay. Yes. So what you need to know is like this. Yeah, become, became, become. Yeah. The third form is become. Next is begin, and then began, and then begun. Ya,
Begin.
jadi jangan salah pronunciation-nya. Begin, began, begun. Gitu ya. For example, like this.
Begin.
I began riding my bicycle when I was 5 years old. Okay. What about you, Mr. Andre? I began.
I don't have any words. Began.
Mhm.
I began studying.
Hmm?
I
ID.
began studying IT for 10 years.
Okay. I began studying IT. Yeah. Uh, 10 years
Since
ago? Yeah.
10 years ago.
Since, okay, 10 years ago, like this, yeah? Okay, you must be very professional with your job right now, yeah? IT. Okay, what about Mr. Corey? I began.
I began teaching PE
Mhm.
since 2023.
Okay,
Last year.
2023. So it means you are a fresh graduate, right?
Yes.
So you are a fresh graduate. Okay, nice. What about you, Hanin, then? I began. Haninda? I began.
I
Okay.
began
Mhm.
studying
Studying what?
since
Dancing.
studying science since
Oh, since I was a kid?
yes, yeah.
Since I was a kid, yeah, in primary school. Yes, we all did. And then what about Miss Priska? I began.
Okay, Mister. I began. Ini kalau olahraga nggak apa-apa kan ya?
Nggak apa-apa. I began
Anything.
taking yoga. I began practicing
Okay.
uh,
I
Aikido.
I began. I began. Start. I began start pound. Since last year.
Sorry, I began what?
Pound fit ya, pound fit.
I don't know that kind of sport. What is it?
I began yoga.
Okay, I
I
began
starting
practicing
practicing
yoga.
yoga
Yeah.
since last year.
Okay, I began practicing yoga since last year. Okay. Yeah,
Yes.
some favorite sports or maybe exercise, yeah, for women. Like for example, yoga and then Pilates. You know Pilates? You don't know about that one. Okay, no problem. Yeah. The next one is bend. Bend. Yeah.
Ben.
Bed. Yeah. Bite, bit, bitten. For example, like this. Yesterday, the dog bit that man. Yeah. Bit itu menggigit. Okay. Bleed, bled. Yeah. Due to the accident, the man bled on his knees. Jadi karena kecelakaan itu, pria itu berdarah di mana? Di lututnya. Ya, bleed. Okay, the next one is blow. Yesterday, during the celebration of my kid's birthday, yeah, she blew the candle. She blew the candle. Dia meniup lilin gitu ya. Okay. And then the next one is broken. Yeah. Like this. Accidentally, the repairman or we can call it the repairman, yeah, or maybe the mechanic, yeah, accidentally the mechanic broke the engine of the motorcycle, ya. Dari kata break menjadi broke seperti itu, ya. Apa arti dari kata bread itu apa sih di sini? Maybe anyone knows about the meaning of bread itu apa? What is the meaning of bread? Bread itu bukan roti ya. Bread is
Breeding is like membesarkan.
ya membesarkan atau memelihara ya.
Memelihara.
Okay, for example, my daughters love cats so much. They bred the kitten since last year. Bred itu membesarkan atau memelihara. Seperti itu ya. Brought. Remember, the pronunciation is not brought, tapi brought. Nah, kalau membeli, bought. Ya, jadi brought, bought. Kalau berpikir, dari kata think menjadi thought. Kalau teach, taught. Ya. Jadi ini pronunciation-nya sama. Brought, bought, caught, taught, thought. Gitu ya. Oke. Jadi jangan lagi bought, caught gitu. Taught, thought, jangan seperti itu, tapi bought, thought, brought, thought, thought, gitu. Yesterday, I thought a good idea about our plan to go for vacation. Thought dari kata think. Okay, yeah, that's the only difficulty in past tense. Okay, we try to continue again. Yeah, to keep up with the target for the skills. Kita lihat di sini. Okay, Mr. Andre, I need your help to read this one. She.
She walked to the store yesterday.
Okay, special. Jadi ini, yes, she walked, seperti itu.
Walk,
She walked
walked.
to the store yesterday.
walk.
Jadi ada semacam penekanan tehnya seperti itu ya. She walked to the
She
store
walked.
yesterday. Tanpa kata yesterday, saya bisa meyakinkan orang bahwasanya kegiatan itu sudah lampau. She walked to the store. Oh, when did she walk to the store? Pasti dia menanyakan when did she?
Walked.
Yes, bukan when does she, seperti itu. Karena saya berbicara walked, seperti itu. Ya. Okay, next, Haninda. They
played basketball after school.
they played basketball after school. Kevin, he
studied English for 3 hours last night.
studied English for 3 hours last night. Okay, among walked, played, and studied, yeah, they are or they belong to regular or irregular verbs. Mereka tergolong mana? Regular atau irregular verbs?
Regular.
Yes, they all belong to
Regular.
regular verbs. Yeah. Meanwhile, for negative within possible, setelah auxiliary atau kata bantu didn't, ya, kita ikuti dengan verb infinitive. Yeah. You know about verb infinitive, right? Yes, verb infinitive is the original form of verb. Ya, jadi benar-benar kata kerja aslinya without any prefix or suffix. She didn't go to the gym this morning. Jadi setelah kata didn't, sudah kata kerja aslinya. He didn't go, they didn't finish, he didn't watch the movie, seperti itu ya. Okay, Mr. Andret, can you read this one? She didn't.
She didn't go to the gym this morning.
Okay, Mr. Corey, they
didn't finish their homework last night.
Okay, Miss Priska, he didn't.
She didn't was
He didn't watch
she
the
didn't
movie.
watch movie yesterday.
Yes, he didn't watch the movie yesterday. Very good. Yeah. And then for the questions, if it is yes no question, tahu kan ya yes no questions, questions in which the answer is only yes or no.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you eat breakfast this morning? Yes, I did. Yeah.
Yes,
No, I
I
didn't.
did.
Jawabannya cuma itu. Karena itu disebut dengan yes no question. Ya.
Yes.
Sedangkan
question.
WH questions apa saja? Ada what, lalu WH.
Who?
What?
Who? Why?
When? Why?
When, why,
Where?
where,
Terus which?
how,
Who?
How?
Whom? Ya, yang H-nya adalah how. Ya. Whose, kepunyaan siapa, seperti itu ya. Did you eat breakfast this morning? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Did they go to the concert last night? Yes, they did. No, they didn't. Did they finish this project on time? Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Okay.
he did.
Yeah. And then the others, like, my sister studied abroad for a year. We didn't see the movie last night because it was sold out. Did you visit the grandparents last weekend? The company hired a new manager last month. They traveled to Japan last summer and had a great time. Okay. I tried to divide the role between A and B. Miss Priska jadi A. Yeah. Mr. Andrea jadi B. Okay. Miss Priska, you can go first. Hey, did you watch?
I didn't watch the football match yesterday.
Miss Priska? Hey, did you watch?
Hello, yeah, Mr.
Okay. Okay. Come on. Hey, did you watch?
Hey, did you watch the football match yesterday?
Mr. Andrea?
I did it.
Yes, I did. It was really exciting match.
Okay, Miss Friska.
Uh, who who won the match in the end?
On the match.
Mm-hmm.
The
And
the
then?
home team won 2-1. They played really well.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's great. Yeah, who scored
Okay.
the winning goal?
Mm-hmm.
It was the striker. He made an amazing shot from outside the box.
Okay.
Shoot,
Next.
shoot.
Oh, oh, I wish I could have watched the match. How was the atmosphere in the
Mm-hmm.
stadium?
It was really
Okay.
electric. The home fans were cheering and singing throughout the match.
Okay. Miss
Oh,
Friska. Sound.
oh, sounds like it was an unforgettable experience.
Okay. Mr. Andrea.
Yes, it definitely was. I hope we can go to another match soon.
Okay. Let's discuss about it. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, did you watch football match yesterday? Yeah, did you watch the football match yesterday? Apakah kamu nonton pertandingan sepak bola kemarin? Yes, I did. It was a really exciting match. Ya, exciting,
Match.
menyenangkan atau seru.
Exciting.
Ya, tapi kalau kita senang, kalau menyenangkan kan exciting ya.
Oh,
Kalau senang apa?
Yeah. Excited.
excited.
Betul.
Itu
Excited.
senang.
Kalau menarik kan interesting ya. Kalau tertarik
Yeah.
apa?
Interested.
Interested. Very good. Ya. Kalau membosankan kan boring. Kalau bosan?
Bored.
Bored.
Bored, ya. Jadi jangan sekali-kali teman-teman bilang misalnya, aduh, gue boring banget nih hari ini. Jangan. Arti dari gue boring banget adalah, ya saya sangat membosankan gitu ya.
Membosankan.
Nanti ada yang jawab lagi, wah, lu baru tahu ya. Seperti itu. Oke, it's bored, ya. I'm so bored today. Yeah, I have nothing to do. What about going to the cinema? There's a very exciting movie. Who won the match in the end? The home team won 2-1. They played really well. Mereka bermain sangat bagus. That's great. Who scored the winning goal? It was the striker. He made an amazing shot from the outside. Yeah, the box. Yeah, from outside the box. Amazing shot. Tembakan yang luar biasa. I wish I could have watched the match. Ya, ini adalah kita sebut dengan subjunctive, semacam wish. Ya, jadi di sini diikuti oleh bentuk pas atau lampau. Ya. Jadi begini, aslinya adalah I wish I could watch the match. Ya, I could watch the match. Nah di sini bentuk lampau dari could adalah could have lalu verb 3. I wish I could have watched the match. How's the atmosphere in the stadium? Yeah, the atmosphere. Okay, Mr. Andre, tell me, why did I pronounce the atmosphere instead of the atmosphere? Why, Mr. Andre?
Because it's start with what's vocal
Yes, it
alphabet.
starts with a vowel. Yeah, vowel. Vowel adalah huruf vokal ya. The atmosphere in the stadium. Okay. It was really electric. Electric tuh maksudnya vibe-nya itu dapat banget ya. It's really full of chemistry. It was really electric. The home fans were cheering and singing throughout the match. Yeah, cheering, berseru, bersorak-sorai. Yeah, cheering. Okay, di sini the home fans were cheering. Ini sudah masuk ke past continuous sebenarnya ya. Sedang bersorak-sorai. The home fans were cheering. Ya, kita bisa ganti sebenarnya word cheering ini menjadi cheered. The home fans cheered and sang throughout the match. Ya, jadi instead of word cheering and singing menjadi cheered and sang throughout the match. Kata bentuk pertamanya sing. Bentuk keduanya apa?
Sang.
Sang. Bentuk ketiganya?
Song.
Bentuk ketiga? Sing, sang, sang. Ya.
Sing sang.
S-U-N-G. Ya. Sang. Sing, sang, sang. Oke, misalnya gini. Dia telah menyanyikan sebuah lagu cinta ya. Berarti he has sung a love song. Seperti itu. Oke. Sounds like it was an unforgettable experience. Wah, sepertinya itu terdengar seperti pengalaman yang tidak terlupakan. Yes, it definitely was. I hope we can go to another match soon. Okay, Mr. Corey, number
Yeah.
one. Okay, she blah 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 movie yesterday.
She watched a movie yesterday. She watched. A.
Yeah,
She
yeah.
watched.
Jadi sebenarnya nggak apa-apa kita ngomong watch juga dibetulkan, nggak apa-apa, it's okay. Namanya juga spoken language. Tapi sebenarnya watched seperti itu ya. Jadi she watched a movie ya yesterday sama dengan kata washed ya. What did you do yesterday? I washed a lot of clothes yesterday. Ya watched. Lalu washed. Sebenarnya seperti itu. Tapi kita ngomong watch aja nggak apa-apa seperti itu ya.
Oh,
And the
okay,
next,
good.
Haninda, can you change this positive into negative? He finished his work last night. Change it to negative.
He did not finish his work last night.
He didn't finish his work last night. Very good. Yeah. Next, Miss Priska, change this negative form into positive. Sorry, into question or interrogative.
Oh,
Jadi negatif jadi nanya.
yeah. Did they go to the party last weekend?
Yes. Did they go to the party last weekend? Yes, they did. No, they didn't. Very good. Yeah. Next, Mr. Andre again. This one.
Wait, is it
I.
I
Number 4. Hmm?
I did eat sushi for the first time yesterday. I'm ate.
It menjadi 8. Good. Yeah. I ate sushi for the first time yesterday. Okay. Kevin, change this question form into positive form. Kevin,
They played soccer yesterday.
they played soccer yesterday. Ada id-nya ya. They played
Yeah, they played.
soccer. Yes, yesterday. Okay. The next form is past continuous tense. Yeah. What is something special about this one? Yeah. It is telling about past activity that was progressive. Jadi sesuatu yang sedang dikerjakan tapi lampau. Sedang tapi lampau gitu. Sedang dikerjakan tapi lampau. She was studying when I called her. My only question is like this. Which one is the first activity? Mana aktivitas yang dilakukan duluan? Belajar atau menelpon atau memanggil? Yang mana?
Belajar.
Belajar atau menelpon?
Belajar duluan.
Ya, belajar duluan. Ya, she was studying when I called her. Dia lagi belajar, lagi lagi tekun-tekunnya, lagi seriusnya belajar. Ya, tiba-tiba seseorang memanggilnya. Ya, she was studying when I called her. Ya, jadi bentuk past continuous, ya. To be past itu kan ada dua. Yang pertama was, yang kedua was sama were, yeah. Was, were plus verb ing, yeah. It always indicates the first activity. She was studying when I called her. The first activity is she was studying, yeah. And then the next activity is I called her. Okay. Haninda, this one. Can you read this one?
They were playing
They were
basketball.
playing basketball at the park.
They were playing basketball at the park. Yeah. Sometimes past continuous, it is elaborated with specific time. Like for example, they were playing
The park.
basketball at the park yesterday evening at 7 p.m. or something like that. Ya. Jadi biasanya diikuti oleh time signal yang spesifik, ada waktunya seperti itu. Ya. Next, Mr. Corey, can you read this one? He was
cooking dinner while his wife watching TV.
okay. Which one is the first activity?
Was
Cooking dinner or watching
cooking
TV?
dinner. Cooking dinner and then his wife watching.
Okay.
Was watching.
Kalau
Yeah.
ada kata while, berarti kedua aktivitas
Oh.
tersebut bersamaan ya.
Samaan.
Jadi
Oh, ya, ya.
he was cooking dinner, sedangkan istrinya sedang menonton di TV dan
Oh,
keduanya
the same
sedang
time.
dilakukan di waktu yang lampau ya. He was cooking dinner while his wife was watching TV.
Why was it?
Okay.
Was it?
Jadi kalau kata when dia ada perbandingan which one is the first activity. Tapi kalau ada kata while ya both activities
Both.
were happening at the same time. And the negative is simply using not like She was not watching TV
Was not
at the
watching.
time. Yeah. They were not working on the project yesterday. He wasn't driving home when the accident happened. Yeah. And then the questions for yes no questions was she studying when you arrived? Yeah. Yes, she was. Yeah. No, she wasn't. Were they working on the sun when you called? Yes, they were. No, they weren't. Was she cooking dinner when you arrived home? Yes, he was. No, he wasn't. Okay.
Wasn't.
Next, Mr. Andrea. I was.
I was watching TV when my sister called me.
Haninda, they were.
They were having dinner when the power went out.
Okay, Miss Priska, he was.
He was sleeping when the phone rang.
Okay. Kevin.
She was studying English for 2 hours when her friend came over.
Okay. And then next, Mr. Corey again.
We were walking in the park when it started raining.
Okay, we have a role play again between A and B. I would like A to be Kevin. Yeah. And then B, I would like to appoint maybe Mr. Corey. Yeah. Kevin, you can go first. Come on. What were you doing?
What were you doing at 8 p.m. yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
I was
And then?
cooking dinner for my family.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what were you cooking?
I was making spaghetti and meatball. It's my family's favorite dish.
Okay.
That sound
Next.
that sounds delicious. Were you enjoying cooking?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I was. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies.
Mm-hmm.
Were you cooking alone or did someone help you?
Mm-hmm.
My sister was helping me. She was chopping the vegetables while I was making the sauce.
Mm-hmm.
It must have been nice to cook together. How long were you cooking for?
Mm-hmm.
We were cooking for about an hour. We wanted to make sure everything was cooked to
To
perfection.
perfection. Mm.
Well, I'm sure your family enjoyed the meal. Thanks for sharing.
Okay, good. Let's discuss from the beginning. What were you doing at 8 p.m. yesterday? Nah, ini kan ada spesifikasi waktunya ya. What were you doing at 8 p.m. yesterday? Oh, at 8 p.m. yesterday, I was cooking dinner for my family. Ya. Jadi kenapa harus ada spesifikasi waktunya? Ya karena sedang dilakukan pada saat itu juga gitu ya. I was cooking dinner for my family. I was watching TV about National Geography.
Family.
Oh, what were you cooking? I was making spaghetti and meatballs. It's my family's favorite dish. Ya. Dish ini bisa kalau konteksnya makanan berarti makanan, kalau konteksnya piring berarti cucian piring gitu ya. Oke.
Yeah, dish.
Jadi my family's favorite dish itu makanan favorit keluargaku. Tapi bisa juga misalnya when you are washing dishes, ya. Kalau kamu sedang mencuci, ya, wash the dishes maksudnya adalah mencuci piring ya.
Piring.
Okay, that sounds delicious. Yeah, it sounds tasty, yummy. Were you enjoying cooking? Kata enjoy sejatinya diikuti oleh cheer. Contoh misalnya gini, what do you enjoy doing? Oh, I enjoy riding my bicycle. What do you enjoy doing? I enjoy watching movies. What do you enjoy doing? I enjoy playing football. Jadi enjoy verb A. Haninda, what do you enjoy doing? I enjoy
I enjoy
dancing,
reading a book.
singing. Okay.
Reading a book.
I enjoy writing a book, reading a book. Which one? Writing or reading?
Reading.
Reading.
Reading a book.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. Yeah. Mr. Andrea, what do you enjoy doing?
I'm enjoying playing futsal.
Okay,
Football.
I enjoy playing futsal or I enjoy playing football. Very good. Yeah. Kevin, what do you enjoy doing?
I enjoy learning English with Mr. Tony.
Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah. Not I enjoy making content. Okay, yeah.
That's the
Next. Yes, I was. Cooking is one of my favorite hobbies. Kalau ada kata one of, pasti belakangnya plural. Ya, one of my favorite hobbies. Yeah. One of my best friends, pakai S. One of my favorite activities. Yeah. One of my collections. Pasti ada S ya kalau one of itu. Karena salah satu dari banyak. Yeah. Were you cooking alone or did someone help you? My sister was helping me. She was chopping the vegetables while I was making the sauce. It must have been nice to cook together. How long were you cooking for? We were cooking for about an hour. We wanted to make sure everything was cooked to perfection. Well, I'm sure your family enjoyed the meal. Thanks for sharing. Okay.
Thank you.
Next, Haninda. She blah 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 dinner when I arrived.
She was cooking dinner when I arrived.
She was cooking dinner when I arrived. Change this positive into negative. Miss Priska. They
They were not playing video games all night.
they were not playing video games all night. Very good, correct. Okay, Kevin, change this negative into question.
What was she studying when I called her?
Okay, yeah. Was she studying when I called her? Okay. And then Mr. Andrea. Yeah. Fill in the blanks using past continuous.
I was reading a book while he was watching TV.
I was reading a book he was watching TV. Okay. Mr. Corey, change these questions into positive.
They were walking to the park when it started raining.
Okay, they were walking to the park when it started raining. Very good. Yeah. To keep up with the time, the next one that we can keep up, yeah, memorizing or mastering is about past perfect tense. Past perfect tense itu logikanya gini. Contoh ya. Mr. Andrea, yeah, can you mention one thing or one product or one collection, yeah, that you bought yourself after saving money? Pernah nggak nabung uang lalu beli sesuatu?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, what is it? What is it?
My laptop.
Hmm?
My laptop.
Okay. Yeah. So like this. Before I bought, yeah, my laptop. Before I bought my laptop, yeah, I had saved some money. My question is, Mr. Andrea, which activity came first? Yang mana datang duluan?
Save
Beli
the
laptop
money.
apa nabung uang?
Tabung uang dulu. Save the money
Nabung
first.
uang dulu. Yes. Okay. So I had saved some money. Yeah. It came first. Yeah. Kalau kita balik dari kalimat before I bought my laptop, I had saved some money menjadi after I had saved some money, I bought my laptop. Gitu ya. After I had saved some money, I bought a laptop. Okay. Aninda, have you ever bought something but previously you had saved some money? Pernah beli sesuatu dari hasil tabungan?
My smartphone.
Smartphone. Okay, so you can say before I bought
My smartphone. I had
my
saved
smartphone,
some money.
I had saved some money. Okay, Mr. Corey, I would like to ask you, what did you do yesterday? Can you mention one activity that you did yesterday?
Played futsal. Played futsal.
Okay, let's make a sentence. Yeah, before I played
Played
futsal,
futsal.
what had you done?
I had
Before I played futsal,
I had done my
Mhm.
my teaching
My teaching session. Yeah,
teaching session. Yeah, I had done my
Teaching
teaching
session.
session.
Okay. Before I played futsal, I had done my teaching sessions. Very good. Yeah. Kevin, can you mention one of your yesterday's activities? Salah satu kegiatanmu kemarin.
Give a briefing for my talent.
Okay, you gave a briefing for your team. Yeah.
Yes.
And then what had you done before giving the briefing?
Breakfast. At breakfast.
Yeah.
Sarapan dulu ya.
Yes,
Oke. Jadi kalau kita balik, after
Breathing.
I had eaten, ya. After I had eaten my breakfast,
Breakfast.
after I had eaten my breakfast, breakfast. Yeah, I gave a briefing
Breathing.
to my,
The tailor.
like this, right?
Yes.
After I had eaten my breakfast, I gave a briefing to my team. Kalau kita balik lagi, ya, before I gave a briefing to my team, I had eaten my breakfast. Oke? Jadi poinnya seperti itu. Jadi bentuk dari past perfect, ya, selalu menyatakan kegiatan itu diawali duluan, ya, sebelum past tense. Jadi past perfect itu lebih pas daripada simple past tense. Oke, saya ulangi ya. Past perfect lebih pas, lebih lampau daripada simple past.
Simple past tense.
Ya, lebih lampau daripada simple past tense seperti itu.
Past perfect tense.
Contohnya misalnya gini. Kita ingat salah satu misalnya orang terkaya di dunia, misalnya apa? Elon Musk ya. Before Elon Musk established Tesla, ya, he had made eBay and PayPal, for example, kan. Ya, dia telah membuat enterprise, salah satunya adalah PayPal, misalnya seperti itu. Oke, ini adalah past perfect tense. Can you help read this one, Haninda? She had
studied for 2 hours before her friends came over.
Yeah, she had studied for 2 hours before her friends came over. So which activity went first or came first?
She has studied.
Okay, yeah, had studied or she had studied. Yeah. Okay. Mr. Andrea, next I need you to help read this one.
He had not worked at company for very long before he got promoted.
So which activity came first?
Work at the company.
Okay, he had not worked at the company for a very long time. Yeah, for very long before he got promoted. Okay, Mr. Corey, help read this one. Had you
waited for a long time before the train arrived?
Okay, which one came first? Which activity came first?
Waited.
Had you waited or you had waited? Very good. And then we have the next conversation between A and B. I need Kevin to be A, yeah, and then Haninda to be B. Kevin, you can start first. Had you finished?
Had you finished your homework before the party started?
Haninda?
Yes, I had. I had finished it an hour before the party began.
Good. Yeah. Miss Priska with Mr. Andrea. Miss Priska is A, Mr. Andrea is B. Come on, Miss Priska. Why were you?
Yeah. Why were you so tired when you got home last night?
Mr. Andrea?
I had been working all day, and then I had gone to the gym for 2 hours before coming home.
Okay, good. Next, Mr. Corey. So, Mr. Corey with...
Did you see the movie that I recommended last night?
Kevin, can you help?
Yes, I had already seen it before you recommended it.
Okay, good. Yeah. Next, Haninda and Kevin. Why didn't you?
Why didn't you answer the phone when I called you yesterday?
I had
Kevin?
left my phone at home when I went out, so I didn't hear it ringing.
Okay, good. Yeah. Next, Mr. Andrea and Mr. Corey.
When did you realize that you had lost your wallet?
Mr. Corey?
I didn't I didn't realize it until I got to the airport and tried to buy a ticket. That's when I realized my wallet was missing.
Okay, very good. Yeah. A little bit corrections. It's the airport. Okay,
Yeah.
Mister? Yeah.
The airport, yeah.
The
The airport.
airport. Very good. Good. Yeah. And then we have this kind of questions. Number one, maybe Mr. Andre can help. I blah 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 3 books before I went to bed last night.
I had read 3 books.
I
I had read.
had read. Very good. Yeah.
I
I had read
had
three
read.
books. Yeah. I had read 3 books before I went to bed last night.
Last
Yeah.
night.
Ingat. Read, read,
Read.
read. Okay. Kevin,
He had not studied for the exam before he took it, so he failed.
he hadn't or he had not studied for the exam before he took it, so he failed. Okay. Haninda,
Had they been watching the movie before it ends?
okay, yeah. Had they watched, you there? Had they watched the movie before it ended? Yang ini ya. Had they
Watch.
watched the movie before it ended? Okay. Miss Friska, we
We had not we had not eaten dinner
okay, we
before.
had not eaten dinner before the guests arrived. Ya, jadi kata guest itu kalau ada s-nya belakangnya adalah guest, gitu. Scientist,
Yes.
dentist, ada s-nya gitu. Memang seperti itu. Ya. Oke, Mr. Corey, had he?
Had he uh, had
Had
he
Had he
had he visited that museum
Visited
before
that
he
museum?
moved to the city?
before he moved to the city? Yes, very good. Okay, guys, it's 6 minutes past 8 p.m. already. Yeah, we can call it a day today. Thank you very much for your participations. We continue tomorrow. Yeah. Let's
Okay.
take a picture together before we edit. Okay. As usual, Kevin, can you activate your camera first to take our
Of
next
course.
picture, please?
Okay.
Miss Friska, are you available? Okay. Yeah, let's take a picture. On my count, 1, 2, 3, cheese. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. I would like to give
Okay.
you another video. Yeah.
Yes, thank you. Sir.
Okay. Video is about how to use simple past tense in a context to tell about past activities later. Okay? Yeah. Just wait for it. Thank you so much, and then see you tomorrow, everyone. I really
Yes.
appreciate it. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, Mr. Andre, Mr. Corey,
Bye all.
and Miss Priska. Okay.